This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, let's open the Settings tab. From here you will need to find and enter the system category. Then at the system page you will see the storage section, so that's obviously our next step. And at the following page, after you will open the storage details, you can see how much storage you have occupied, how many gigabytes of storage you have in total, what is the memory usage percentage, and what exactly occupies how much storage. So in my case, for example, as you can see, the other apps occupy 1.6 gigabytes of storage, and the system occupies 8.6. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.